Welcome back with question number 16. In question 16, this is given and you have to show this equals this. Okay, so if you will observe the given part, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So we will open this bracket by using the identity a plus b whole cube and keep the real part and the imaginary parts separately. So you will get this term equals to u plus iota v. Now comparing both sides, what do you observe? The real part will be equals to each other and the imaginary part should be equals to each other. So it means that u equal x cube minus 3xy square, real part and the imaginary part, and v equal 3x square y minus y cube. So these two values we will get it. Now question is that you have to prove this equals to this. So we will take the LHS part of the question now by taking LHS. LHS is u upon x plus v upon y. Okay, now we will substitute the value of u and v over here. Let's see the result. U x cube minus 3xy square upon x plus v 3x square y minus y cube upon y. Now take x common. If you will take x common, so it will be cancelled out. So take x common. So x square minus 3y square upon x, and from here what common? Y is common, so 3x square minus y square upon y. So it will be cancelled out and the remaining result x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus y square. Now solve it further. You will get 4x square minus 4y square, and now you can take 4 common, so x square minus y square, and this only we have to prove it. So this is equals to RHS. Clear? Okay. Come to the 17th question. In 17th question, if alpha and beta are different complex number, both of them are different complex number with mod b equals to 1, this is also given, and we have to find out the value of this part. Okay. Now look at over here, absolute sign is there. So somewhere we will use the concept or we will use the idea of absolute. We know it very well by doing the question of multiplicative inverse in the previous exercise, that z inverse equal mod z conjugate upon mod z square, or if we will rewrite it, you will get this part. Okay. One more thing to do this question, z, let z, I am going to explain one concept, z equal a plus iota b. So what should be z bar? Z bar, it should be a minus iota b, and if I have to find out the double z bar, again z bar, so what it will become? This will become positive, so a plus iota b. So what does it mean from here? This part and this part is equal. So it means from here z double bar equals to z. So somewhere we will use this concept also. Okay. Z कोई भी complex number है, if we will take its z bar 2 times, then again we will get the same complex number. So this concept we are using it over here. Now this is the question, mod of, so mod z square equals z into z bar. So this will be equals to, if we will take, now we will do the solution. These two are different complex number, so its square, mod square of the complex number will be equals to z into z bar. So this is equals to z. ये पूरा आपका complex number हो गया because these are the two different complex number. So z into z bar. So we will take beta minus alpha z minus this is z into z bar. Z bar means इस पूरे का bar and from here we will put the bar for whole. If these are two different complex number, then this part or this part will also be a complex number. Okay. Now, what we will do, now we have to multiply these two together. But before we will multiply it, we will go little bit further. Beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha bar beta. We will rewrite this part. We can write them separately. It's a property. Okay. 1 bar will be 1 minus z bar and double bar. As I have told it, complex number double bar will be same. So alpha double bar. So it will become alpha only. Okay. And beta के ऊपर ये bar आ जाएगा. You can write it like this. Okay. Now you will multiply the terms. Open the bracket. So it will be beta bar minus this plus alpha into alpha bar upon multiply them. You will get 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus alpha bar into beta bar. This you will get it. Okay. Now we will go further, little bit further. Here, beta into beta bar. Look, use this concept. Z into z bar is mod z square. Same way, since it is a complex number and here is also a complex number. So beta into beta bar. दोनों complex number same है. As in this case, z into z bar is mod z square. Same way, beta into beta bar will be what it should be? Mod beta square. Okay. Keep the other term as it is. Now, same concept you will use it here. Alpha into alpha bar. Complex number. So, it will be alpha square. And the denominator, let's see. If we can solve it, we will solve it. Now, same thing, alpha into alpha bar will be alpha square and beta into beta bar is beta square. Up to here, I think it's clear to all of you. Look here. It is given in the question that beta absolute of beta is 1. So, we will put the value beta square 1 square minus, we will put the value and this we will keep it as it is, and same way we will put the value here also. So, you will give the reason because absolute of beta is 1. This is given. Now, look at the terms now. If you will observe, this is same, this is same, this is same and this is same. It means the upper and the lower terms are same. So, we can cancel it. So, after cancelling it, we are getting its value as 1. Okay. So, the answer of this is equals to 1. Let's go for next question. In question 18, it is written, find the number of non-zero solutions of this. Non-zero solutions means zero solutions नहीं होना चाहिए. The number of zero solutions नहीं होना चाहिए. उसको छोड़कर we have to find out how many non-zero solution, how many solutions we will get it. Accept number of zeros as a number of solutions as zeros. Now come to the question. Absolute is given, so absolute we can write it by taking the real square plus imaginary square. Like this we can write it. Now solve it further. 1 plus 1 equal 2 power x. So 2 equal 2 power x, root 2 equal 2 power x, and then we can do it further as this root 2, we can write it 1 by 2, and this is 2 power x. Okay, so what will be the next thing? What step you will take it to find out the value of x here? कैसे करेंगे इसको? Sorry, here it is power x also. Power x also. So it will become x by 2. Now since bases are same, therefore equate the powers. So you will get x by 2 equal x. ये आ जाएगा. Now you have to find out the value of x here. So by shifting it, you will get x minus 2x equals 0, or we can say minus x equals 0, or it means x equal 0. तो हमारे पास number of solutions, here it is x equals 0. We are not getting any other solution except this one. Okay, so therefore no number of zeros of 1 minus iota power x equal to x. Means, what does it mean? That it has no non-zero. It has no non-zero. It means it has no non-zero solutions. Non-zero solutions. Okay. So except 0, यहाँ पर x की और कोई भी solution नहीं है. So there will be no number of non-zero solutions. Question 19. In question 19, this is given equals to a plus iota b, and you have to show this part. Observe the part which you have to prove it. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे imaginary iota is not there. So how can you remove the iota? कैसे remove कर सकते हैं iota? Tell me. By taking its modulus. So what we will do, from the given part, we will take the modulus of whole. Like this we will write it, and then we will write them taking mod on both sides. This whole mod, we can write them separately also. So this means, write them separately. It's a property E plus iota F, then G plus iota H mod, and this is equals to A plus iota B. Now if we have to remove this modulus sign, so what answer you will write it? Like this. You will write it like A square plus B square. Same way, root C square D square, root E square F square, and root G square H square. This is equals to, here we will take A square plus B square. But we are not getting the solution. There is a root sign. So what we will do? क्या करेंगे? We can write them. We can take them together. So like this we can write it. Or straight away also you can do it. E square, S square and G square, H square. This is equals to root A square plus B square. Now on both the sides, root sign is there. Okay? Now taking square on both sides, so you will get the result. This implies this square root will be cancelled out. So A square plus B square, C square plus D square, E square plus F square and G square plus H square equal A square plus B square. Is it clear? And this only we have to prove it. Come to the last question of this miscellaneous. It is given if this equals to 1, find the least positive integral value of m. सबसे कम से कम आपको value of m you have to find out. So from here, this is given like this equals 1. So we will do it for the by removing the sign of the iota from the denominator. So we will multiply it like this equals like this. Okay, so it will be 1 plus iota whole square and in the denominator a square minus b square. So a square minus iota square power m equal 1. This result you will get it. Oh, now for the what will you do? क्या करेंगे अब आगे? Can anyone tell me? Now open it. After opening it, you will get the result further. So what you will get it? A square plus b square iota square plus 2 iota upon I square. I square is minus 1. So minus 1 become plus. So I square minus 1 plus 2 iota upon 2 power m equal 1. ये cancel हो जाएगा. And this 2 will also be cancelled out. So iota m equal 1. Now tell me, what should be the next step? क्या होगा यहाँ पे? You have to find out the value of m. How will you proceed further? Let's go for the question here. This 1, we can write it as I power 4 also. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं because I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus. So instead of 1, we can write it I power 4. Now the bases are same. Therefore, equal the power. So what is the least value, positive value of m, integral value of m, that is in the integer form, is 4. So this is the least value of m. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.